Here we go with the follow the flow for the whole series. And begin an underhand opposite hip reel. Bring your right hand to the front and stall it, turning left, come into overhand weave. Turn right to underhand weave. Turn left to overhand weave. Turn right to counterclockwise pinwheel. Then make it big 3 times. 2 more. Last one. And now together time pinwheel. And then stall down to the right. Come up, overhand weave on the right. And go big twice. And then overhand weave. Turn left to underhand weave. Turn right to pinwheel. Make it big 2 more times. And last time. And together time. Stall to the left. Change direction, overhand weave on the left. And open it up. Double stall between the legs, up over the top. And sweep back, up to pinwheel, together time. Down on the right, overhand. And hip reel clockwise. And split time. Bring it up into the pinwheel, down to the hip reel. Up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel. Up to the pinwheel, down to the hip reel. And last time up, back down, back to together time. Chase the sun. Then come up to pinwheel, together time. Big 3 times, 1 and 2 and 3. Now lift your right leg, tap your right point on the bottom, come down into overhand butterfly, take out right, take out left, take out right, take out left. Right goes up twice, and then left goes up twice, and then opposite direction pinwheel, and then add the extension, and extend again, back down to butterfly, angel twice, and split time butterfly, split time big, and again, and back to small, split time, and together big twice, and small twice, and big twice, and small twice, and hip reel, and up to pinwheel, down to hip reel, up to pinwheel, hip reel, pinwheel, hip reel, pinwheel, down to butterfly, stall right, turn right, overhand weave, turn to the right, underhand weave, turn again to the right, back to overhand weave, turn to the left, underhand weave, step and turn to the left, back to overhand weave, open it up, sweep up to pinwheel, to split time pinwheel, split time big, and again, and tap the right point on the underside of the right leg into overhand butterfly, overhand hip reel, and back to split time, and stall left, counterclockwise hip reel,